So I just helped my friend replace this door lock actuator on a 2016 Town & Country, and it's nearly impossible unless you take this door trim off. So this trim has a couple of these little push pins here, and they pop right into those little holes, and I was able to pop it off with this door trim removal tool here. I got this at Harbor Freight. But yeah, that allows you to gain access to this hole in this slot where that channel has to slide up alongside the window, and without having this space it is nearly impossible to get that thing done. Would you agree, Stu? Any words of advice?
Just do this, yeah. That was a lot more helpful.
All right, so yeah, hopefully this helps out other people, because nobody on YouTube shows how to do the hardest part of this job, and this is by far the hardest part of the job. So good luck, and let me know if you have any questions down below. Thanks, and we'll see you later.